I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be making our favorite tomato soup. What you'll need is 1 chopped onion, 6 tablespoons of flour and butter, 1 quart of chicken broth, 1 quart of tomato juice, and salt and pepper to taste. In a pot, you'll melt your butter, next you'll add your onion, and you want to cook these till they're translucent. Then you'll add your flour. You're making a roux here. You want to cook the flour a little bit to get the flour taste out of it. Usually it'll start turning like a light brown and it'll have a different smell. It's sort of like a nutty smell. Once the flour is cooked a little bit, you'll add your broth and your tomato juice. It's better to stir this with a whisk. That way you get out all the little lumps. It'll start thickening up after it starts boiling. If you want it a little thicker, you need to add more flour to your roux to begin with. It's hard to add right now. It won't cook out. We like ours a little bit more brothy. So you just cook this for a little bit until it reduces, usually about 20 minutes or so. And it will thicken up as it cools too. And here it is, all dished up. This is Daniel's plate. He's just got some toasted homemade bread. I'll have that recipe coming up soon. Cheese is really good with this too. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.